Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download and install mods on Minecraft. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Minecraft Launcher, and then we need to run the game in the latest version, right? So we need to wait for until it loads up. Then here select a normal Minecraft. Here should be latest release, and then you just need to hit play and wait until latest version is installed if you haven't played Minecraft for a while. And then once it's just running, the game runs, you can close it, right? Then open a browser, go to fabricmc.net, hit download, and then download this installer for Windows, right? Save it to your computer, whatever you like. Don't worry, file is not with a virus. Just for me is always this pop-up, right? And then once you get the installer here, what you need to do here is to double click on it here, and then latest version will be here, and then you can install. But first, completely close Minecraft and also completely close Minecraft Launcher and hit install, and you should not be getting any errors. If you get some errors, there's two reasons: your Minecraft launcher or Minecraft is running, and also you don't have latest version of Minecraft. So you do not complete the first step that I showed you, right? And once it's done, you can open up Minecraft launcher, and then here we need to wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. And then it should be here fabric loader here, and you can play it. If for some reason there is no fabric loader available for you, you need to go to installations, make sure it's modded selected, select new installation, give it a name, then just write fabric, and then select the latest version. I installed 1.21.4, and then you just need to hit installed. I don't need to do so, but for you, if it's not appearing, you just need to install it, right? And the next step, what we need to do here, we need to go back on browser. Then you need to look for API. So as you can see here, should be Fabric API. Select this, go to files, and download latest version here, right? And download it. And to desktop. Then again, we need to verify, and then you need to write run. And on this file, you need to write %appdata%. Go to .minecraft, go to mods folder. If there is no mods folder, just create one. Right click, show more options, new, and create new folder and name it to mods. And then you need to add Fabric API. So I already did this, but for you, you just need to drag and drop it, and then you'll have a modded version of Minecraft. So if we go here and load Minecraft, as you can see here, it should say modded now. So just load up, and as you can see here, it says modded. And if you want to get mods and install to Minecraft, you just need to open a browser again, and I use two websites, modrinth.com and CurseForge.com. So you just need to select game, then you need to look for browse all, and then you can sort out by popularity, relevancy, and bunch of different things. So for example, if I want to download Jade mod, here select files, then select a fabric one. As you can see here, there is another mod launcher, NeoForge, Fabric, and more. But we installed Fabric, so we just need to select Fabric and then hit download right here. And the download process should be done. Again, we need to verify. And now if you want to install mods, so as you can see here, this mod will explain the certain items. It will be this bar. So what we need to do here to install the mod, again, we need to just write run. Then again, we need to write %appdata%. Go to .minecraft, then go to mods, and drag and drop that particular file, right? And now if we launch the game, so I just launched the game, and as you can see here on the top middle, my mod is working. I can see the explanations of the items here, right? And that's basically it, what I wanted to show you. So if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.